Alright guys, so we got some of the nearby attractions posted on the website for you. So we decided that we would go ahead and review a couple. This is Tailgate Brewery. We're gonna go in here, have lunch, and let you know how it is. Well, we just got done eating. I had the Reuben.
I had the Cubano.
Nate had the Cubano. We both had a pint. And I just read on the thing, if we had gotten all that together, the pints are only $3 with lunch. So I bought the pint, or I bought the pints, and they were $8 each. And then we went and had lunch, which was a lunch special for $7. So we overpaid by 10 bucks. Well, now we know.
But when you come out, now you know.
The verdict is, man, it was
great.
It was incredible.
The beer was great.
The food was great. The atmosphere was great. Oh, look, somebody parked their brand new 4Runner right next to my old 4Runner. They did this on purpose.
Yep.
That is hilarious.
They were trying to see what it would look like with the lift. You're like,
yeah, let me put that lift on it.
Let's look.
Alright guys, so when you come out, this is 15 minutes away. Come visit us at Bushcraft Ridge, and let's go have a pint at Tailgate Brewery.